everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Normally when you think about going on a cruise, this is what you think about. Calm seas, beautiful weather, picturesque moments, everything just perfect. You saved your money, you're going on a cruise. How about going on a cruise to Venice, Italy, to St. Mark's Square, only to find out when you get there, oh no, the worst flooding since the 1960s. Yep, this week, Venice is flooded and it is bad. The merchants and the city fathers are doing the best they can to accommodate the visitors who are coming in, and a lot of these folks are cruise ship visitors who are just coming in for the day, hoping to get the perfect shot, maybe enjoy a cup of coffee in St. Mark's Square and enjoy the views. Not happening. This isn't the only place. In the North Atlantic this week, this kind of weather hit, and it affected a number of ships, but the one that was affected the most was Navigator of the Seas, Royal Caribbean's big ship. They had to bring her in on an emergency run into Vigo. A 10-day cruise with 6 or 7 stops is now a 10-day cruise with 3 stops. The ship had to be pumped out. It was flooded in the lower decks. They had a hole puncture on their hull because of a stabilizer issue. It's been repaired, but people are shaken up. Meanwhile, in La Spezia, in Italy, the winds are so bad, even in port, the Celebrity cruise ship with the X on the funnel there broke away from her moorings, and she bumped into a Costa ship before 3 tugboats could be brought in to get her back to where she belonged. The winds were just horrific. The very bad news this week, Aidanova, the big cruise ship, she had been set on fire on purpose. There's arson on board. She's in port in Eemshaven in the Netherlands. 2 cabins were set on fire, millions of dollars in damage. 4 promotional cruises have been canceled. Sea trials have been canceled. Police are investigating arson. We're talking millions in delays, and the story is still developing. We'll stay on top of that. Over on Carnival, the Sunshine cruise ship had an eventful week. First, it had engine problems. On one cruise, it had to cancel a port stop, came back to Miami, turned around, went out to sea, and it started listing unexpectedly. This is what a ship looks like when it lists. Not fun, scary. People were praying in the aisles, hoping it would stop. They corrected it, but the ship was, for a while, incapacitated. All kinds of issues this week. Storms, winds, floods. What's going on out there? Join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern on Traveling with Bruce. We talk cruise ships every day, including Saturdays at 2. See you soon.